Hello, how you doing? Hope you're well, hope you're safe. On the menu today, we're going to make this a beautiful beef curry. Takes quite a while to cook this one, so you want to get that beef super tender, and that really is super tender. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's get started by looking at some of our spices that we're going to use to start this off. Our whole garam masala: bay leaf, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds, dried chili, and green cardamom. Just to point out, all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. Let's move on and take a look at our beef. Okay, so I've got some beef here, stewing beef. It's got a little bit of fat on it. There's no bone in there. I've cut it quite small, and I've cut it quite small because this is a stewing beef. It's not the best quality of beef, but we're going to make it absolutely delicious. I've got there about 1 kg. There's quite a lot there. Let's get to the cooker and get this and the spices on the go. So I've got some oil here. I'm using a vegetable oil. You could be using a sunflower oil, corn oil, canola, up to you. We're going to start off by dropping in our whole garam masala. So we've got a couple of bay leaves, and then let's just take a look there again. Black peppercorns, green cardamom, dried chili, cloves, and cumin seeds. In they go. And what I want to do is I just want to fry these around for like 60 seconds. They'll infuse that oil, then we can add our beef. Okay, so they're just starting to crack and pop. So now I'm going to drop in all that lovely beef, in it goes. And we're going to cook this on a medium heat for about 8 to 9 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, so we've really given this beef a nice head start and got all those lovely flavours in there. I'm now going to add some salt and onion. Staying on this kind of above medium heat. Let's go for another 4 minutes now. Great stuff. Now I'm going to go in with some garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. I'm going to add some fresh chilies. The amount is up to you, really. Then we're going to go over some powders. Now, let's take a look at them, shall we? Let's put that there. I've got a little bit of cardamom powder and the same amount of garam masala powder, and then equal parts, like 2 teaspoons each, of turmeric, coriander, chili, and cumin. In that all goes. Let's just give this a little mix around for a bit. This really is going to be delicious, I tell you. Next up, we're going to add a couple of tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. Add about a cup of water. The lid's going to go on. We're going to stay on this medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can just leave it alone now. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat down to a simmer now. Lid off. Steam out. Let's take a look. That's fantastic. Those tomatoes are breaking down really nicely. I'm going to add some more water to that now. Some cold water in there. We're going to get the lid back on. And we now need to let this go for about 30 minutes. We really want to get this beef super tender. Lid back on, see you in 30 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then if you like. Okay, all our hard work is done. Off goes the heat. Off comes the lid, out goes the steam. And look at that, we now have a wonderful, wonderful beef curry. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more salt. I'm going to be fine with that. That's delicious. Took a while, but that is super tender now. Okay, I'm now going to add some fresh mint to this one. If you want, you could be adding some cilantro or coriander. I think that mint works really well with this. Going to give that a little mix in. And that's beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.